What are you doing, Megan?
I'm washing the
Oh, are you helping Grandma?
yes.
That is very nice, okay?
Grandma's not here.
Megan, I think you should turn off the water. We don't want to waste water, okay?
Okay.
You need to turn it off very soon. Okay. Thank you. Good job. Grandma gonna be so happy. Can you pull the chair back too?
No.
Is it too heavy for you?
Yes. Because my hand is slipped.